Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make the best crochet chevron blanket stitch. This pattern is one that has been really popular on the blog, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you want to get to the pattern, it's linked down below. You'll find the throw size on my blog, and then if you want to have access to all the other sizes, you can head over to my shop and purchase the PDF. So grab your 5mm hook, some nice size 4 yarn, and we will get started. Okay, so to begin, we're just going to make a slip stitch, and we want to be sure to leave a long enough tail so that you can weave in your end. And this pattern is worked in a multiple of 16 plus 2. So I'm going to do 2 rounds of 16 and then add 2 on the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then 16 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then add 2 on the end. 1, 2. So in the second chain from the hook, remember the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. We're going to start here, 1, 2. We're going to place 2 single crochet right there in that chain. So 1 in the same space, 2. Now we're going to move forward and place 7 single crochet, 1 in each of the next 7 stitches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next we're going to skip a stitch, and we're going to start with 7 single crochet again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we're going to put 3 single crochet all together in this next stitch. So 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, what we did is we came down to the bottom of the chevron and we worked our way back up. Those 3 together are the top part of our chevron. We're going to come back down for 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to skip 1 stitch, come to the next one, and go up for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the very last stitch, we're going to place 2 single crochet together. 1 and 2. So if we look at what we've just done, we've come down, we've created a peak, and came back down and then went back up. So basically 1, 2. We have 2 chevrons going right now. So next is row 2. So we chain 1 and turn, and row 2 is the repeat that you will do for the entire pattern. So you're going to chain 1 and put 2 single crochet in the chain 1 space. 1, 2. You're going to go down for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this time you're going to skip 2, not 1. So 1, 2, we're skipping those. And we're going to go up for 7. Be sure on that very first single crochet you make, you do pull it kind of tight so you don't have a big gaping hole right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then at the top here, we're going to put 3 single crochet in the top. 1, 2, 3. We're going to come back down for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to skip 2 and go up for 7. Make sure you pull that tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the last stitch you put 2 single crochet together. So 1 and 2. So from here on out it would be a chain 1 turn, and as we put this down we see on that row 2 doing the skip 2, it made those chevrons just deep enough so that there's more symmetry as we're looking at our blanket. So from here on, from row 3 on, it's just a repeat of row 2, very simple. So what I want to do really quick is I'm going to change colors. So give yourself, when you cut your yarn, give yourself enough to be able to weave in that end. So we chained 1, but we're going to actually back that chain 1 out. And we're going to go ahead and just yarn over and pull all the way through to kind of shut off that color. And then turn, put your hook in that very first stitch, grab your new color, make yourself a slip knot. Again, leave it long enough so that you can sew in that end. Put that on your hook, draw up that new color, chain 1, and now we're just going to put 2 single crochet right there in that chain 1 space, and then continue what we were doing. So down for 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, skip 2, go up for 7. Remember to pull that tight so there's not a big hole. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're at the top, so put 3 together. 1, 2, 3, down for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2. Pull that first one tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then in the very last stitch you place 2 single crochet together, just like that. So if we take a look, we can see it's really a simple pattern. You always put 2 single crochet on both ends. You come down for 7, skip 2, up for 7, 3 together, down for 7, skip 2, up for 7, and it's just that over and over and over again. Make sure that if you want to kind of like play around and just make your own customizable size, you do maintain a multiple of 16 plus 2. And as you saw, You just chain 16 over and over and over again until you get the length, and then at the very end add those last 2 stitches and you're good to go. So I hope that you enjoy this pattern. Again, the free throw size will be linked down below. You can easily access it, and be sure that you subscribe to my channel. I have new videos that come out every week. We have Happy Mail unboxings on Monday, and then we have community night, which is live streamed every Thursday at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'd love for you to join. Again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and share this with other makers who you think would enjoy the chevron pattern, and tag me if you do wind up making it, because I'd love to see your own variations and designs. So again, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.